Hello, this is Mike with Art Studio. Just showing you what we're doing today. We're making pickets. So nothing fancy, just these straight bar pickets. But it's a wood step and it's got a hole in it, and this sits in the hole. And then the top kind of just slides in, and then you put a little angled screw in there so it's nice and hidden. But the way we were doing that is we had the vise here, and a drill. Put one end up, the other in the vise, clamp her down, give her a good old drill, and off you go to the races. It's no Bridgeport, that's for sure. But this is general fabrication. You know, we don't need tight tolerances, thousandths of an inch. We have a little bit more to play with. But kind of just again showing you the creativity you get to use when fabricating things. I mean, you can, to get the angle I wanted, I took a pipe stand, clamped it to the table, adjusted it until it needed to. I got the right height, or right-ish height, and then it wasn't quite enough, so I found a bar, and if you brought it in closer so that the angle would be even steeper, then of course as things go, you put something here, just wanted to spin because I can't lock it, so you put another piece of angle there. But at the end of the day, you get the problem figured out, you create a solution, and you make the product. You serve the customer, and yeah, it's what it's all about. Having fun, getting creative, and serving people. So, yeah. If you like the video. If you like the video, woo! If you like the video, got it. If you like the video, please comment, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Just thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.